100%. Last time we had a guest speaker by the name of Gene. He had a very difficult past, a very troubled past, and it took him 72 job applications. And he finally found the job that was perfect for him. They're out there. Just don't give up. You're going to stumble. We all stumble. But it's how you get up. Remember, fall forward. Denzel Washington, fall forward. And then the other one.
Equalizer?
And then the other video, just stand. Don't fall, just stand. Speaking of stand, is there anyone else who would like to say anything before we go to the next phase? Good, because I'm getting hungry.